basically, the deal is this, ma'am. We can't get a hold of your lawyer. We don't know where he is. We've been trying to get him for hours. He tested negative, which is great.
Definitely lose to hear.
So
I didn't know.
we're going to reset your case out, okay? We're going to give you paperwork.
Quick legal breakdown here. When a judge says they're resetting your case, it basically means they're giving you another court date instead of making a decision right now. It's like hitting the snooze button on the legal process. But here's the kicker. If you don't show up next time, you're risking a warrant, a bond revocation, or worse. So when the judge says good things happen when you come back, trust me, they mean the opposite is true if you don't.
To try to get a hold of the lawyer. We'll give you a couple weeks. If you're unable to get a hold of him, just let us know. Okay. Come back. Don't leave. Come back to court. Good things happen when you come back. Can you make sure that he comes back? This is the third time.
Oh, yes.
Please.
Well, see, I didn't know about the other court because he'd been in court already.
We're going to give you the reset. That way you have it. So you know when the next court date
Right.
is. Okay.
They said I got a feeling I cleared that.
Say it again.
They said I had a feeling I cleared that.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So we'll give you the reset. Just stay in touch. We'll try to get in touch with the lawyer. He's supposed to get a hold of you within 24 hours. If not, let us know and then we'll go further.
Okay.
Just stay in contact with the lawyer, okay? And take your medicine, Mr. Alley, okay? Okay. You guys have any questions?
Oh, you just come back for the court date and then
Yeah, I guess I really don't want to talk to you without your lawyer. So the only thing, I guess, just we need him here and I just can't get a hold of him.
mhm.
So we'll reset your case and hopefully he'll reach out to you today so that we can try to come up with a game plan.
Okay.
Okay? If he doesn't get a hold of you, just let us know and we'll go from there, I guess.
All right.
Okay?
Judge, what's the age of the case?
No, they got to come back just 2 weeks.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But come back. Come back. Okay? All right. Okay, guys. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
I'm coaching on Nicholas Holland, and basically, we're trying to see what we can get done here. I think there's a rep for inpatient. We're trying to see if you would accept any intensive outpatient. And either way, we're going to have to, just get through the holidays and do something. But it's going to be one of those two, and it's ultimately which one you'll kind of bless.
I don't know. Should we do a TRAS?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Holland, come up.
He did the TRS and the recommended did say TF.
This is why we do this beforehand. You know what I mean?
What?
This. So we know exactly what to expect, Yeah. I don't know, Tad, why? I mean, we have you evaluated by clinicians for a reason. These people know what they're doing. They've done it 100 times. And they know the best way to move forward with the case. That's why we do it. I can not tell you how many times we've done a TRAS, we've deviated from what they say, and then we end up in a worse position because something happens. Now, I know you're going to tell me everything is little bunnies jumping in the woods, but you can never anticipate in life what's going to happen. And the problem is how do you deal with the stressors that come in life? Because that's what really defines a person. We all have issues, we all have problems, and they always come at the worst time. But the most important thing is, how do you deal with the stresses when they come? Do you turn destructive, self-destructive? Do you turn destructive in the public, right? Where you do something to endanger the public. That's why we have this. What they're suggesting.
Pause and think about what's happening here. The judge isn't just lecturing. He's trying to predict relapse. The talk about stressors and self-destruction is courtroom code for "we've seen this story before." It's also your moment to weigh in. Do you think outpatient treatment is enough here? Or is inpatient the safer bet? Drop your take below, because this tug of war between second chances and public safety is where courtroom decisions get complicated.
Testing is inpatient treatment.
Say it again?
I said what they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Because you do have a job and
Yes, sir.
you have been working at this job for a while,
Yes, sir, for like a year and a half.
right? You've been very successful at this job.
Yes, sir. I'm a supervisor.
Okay. And that's what I'm saying. You, even before we've done these things, you're already starting to turn things around.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
And that's the kind of stuff, I mean, tell the judge how you've been turning things around. I mean, he needs to hear something to make him think that maybe, at least make him consider, outpatient rather than inpatient. Tell him, how your life has changed in the last year and a half.
Okay. Well, after I got the scram bracelet that you put on me, I knew that I knew it was like over with the games, the BS and all that stuff. And I just had to do right and do what I'm supposed to do. And I started just doing better at work because I wasn't drinking alcohol no more. Started doing better at work. They moved me up to a supervisor.
That's wonderful.
Started letting me manage money, invoices and stuff like that. And I just stopped hanging around the crowd of people that I was hanging around that go out and drink and party a lot. And I've just kind of been staying home or hanging out with my mom more. And
my mom used to tell me, "Dime con quien andas y yo te digo quién eres." It means, tell me who you hang out with,
yes, sir.
and I'll tell you who you are. And it's when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Tad, let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Let me send him for a drug and alcohol test right now. Let's see. If he's clean, I'll acquiesce. But I'm going to tell you now, one problem, because I don't know, I'm not agreeing to this, but I will tell you that if we do go forward with this intensive outpatient treatment and you muck up, get ready, because I don't play.
That's fair.
So
Yes, sir.
let's send him. I'm going to send him now for a drug and alcohol test. If he's clean, I'm with you. But
Can't thank you enough. That's more than fair.
okay,
More
All
than
right.
fair.
all right. So
Gonna be clean,
let's
right?
do this, Tad.
I know you will probably.
Let me see if I have your cell phone so I can tell you when he comes back. Let me see.
Okay. And
I don't have. Do you mind here? Give me your cell phone real quick, and then just hang tight. We're going to send you, and then just come right back, and then I'll text him, and then we'll do everything.
Where do you want me to go, to the jury box?
No, you can just sit out there. Sure, of course. This is your cell phone.
yes.
Okay, I'll text you when he comes back.
And then whatever.
This is a major moment. A protective order isn't just a piece of paper. It's a legally binding shield that, if violated, can trigger felony-level consequences. The judge even calls it the capital murder of misdemeanors. That's how serious this gets. Translation: one wrong move here and bond could vanish, leaving the defendant behind bars until trial. It's one of those courtroom moments where the stakes jump from serious to life-altering instantly.
We're going to do what we said it to do.
No, we'll do it today.
But if you're sitting in inpatient, can we get through the holiday?
I'm not going to agree. I don't know. Let's see first how he does.
Okay, well.
Then let's just see.
They bring him out.
Okay.
Mr. Ozio Olvera. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to pull it up. Olvera or Vasquez Olvera?
Yeah. Okay.
So his the misdemeanor is the
Oh, he's not here, is he?
he's here. He's back
That's
there. He told me that he hired counsel last week, so he's waiting on him to come in and sign on.
Mr. Olvera, come up. Or no, just hold on a second. Hold on, Mr. Olvera. Let's do this. Mr. Arispe, I forgot to do something while you were here earlier. And I essentially also wanted to wait for your lawyer to get here. You're on your terroristic threat. I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. What that is that is a court order that identifies Ms. Hernandez Martinez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of the Muskegon Street house. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. There's also two other. All right.
The only thing I want you to understand is you have not complied with bond conditions. You now, bless you, you now have an order for protection. If you violate this one, the state can and will file a violation protective order, and it's the capital murder of misdemeanors. It's one of the worst cases that you can pick up. It's so bad that if you violate conditions on a VPO, I can have a hearing to hold you at zero bond until these cases are over with. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Heed this warning. You won't get another. Okay? We'll just have you sign it and then we'll put you back. Okay, I think, do you need anything else from me on that? We're good, right? I think we're good. Okay. Come up.
Seriously, I wasn't lying. Didn't notice.